There are times we want to include special characters in our strings, like a tab or a new line, or a backslash or double quotes. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to include these special characters in your strings. So here we have the string, hello Mosh. Let's say we want to surround Mosh with double quotes. Now here's the problem. If we add a double quote here, Java compiler thinks this is the termination of our string, so it doesn't understand what we have after. That's why we have a compilation error. To fix this problem, we need to prefix this double quote with a backslash. So using this backslash, we have escaped the double quote. Now, one more time, let's add backslash double quote here. Now let's run the program and see what we get. So we get hello Mosh in double quotes. Beautiful. So double quote is one of those special characters that you need to be aware of. Another special character is backslash. Let's say we want to store the path to a directory on a Windows machine. So that will look like this. C drive, backslash, Windows, backslash, whatever. Now, if you want to store this in a string, we need to escape each backslash. Let me show you. So C drive, backslash. Now we have a problem. Java compiler thinks we're escaping the double quote here, so it thinks our string is not terminated with another double quote. But that's not what we want. You want to add a backslash here. So we need to prefix our backslash with another backslash. Now we type Windows, one more time, something. Let's run the program. So even though we have two backslashes in our code, we actually see one backslash in the terminal window. Another escape sequence is \n, and we use that to add a new line to our strings. So let's change this to \n and run the program to see what happens. Now our string is broken down onto multiple lines. On the first line, we have C drive, then we have Windows. So wherever we add a \n, Java will insert a new line. We can also add a tab in our strings. So if we add \t here, there will be a tab between C drive and Windows. Let's take a look. So C drive, here we have a tab, and then Windows. Now in Java, we have a few more escape sequences, but quite honestly, they're hardly used. So remember these 4 escape sequences that we covered in this tutorial.